Hello everyone, I'm very glad to introduce myself and one of the most meaningful objects in my life. At first, my name is Yingdong Jiang, come from China and born in Shaoxing, which is a city with more than 5,000 years history. And it is also one of the origin of Chinese culture with an abundant humanistic connotation. And in my hometown, we also provide many of traditional Chinese stuff. And look at my hand. And this is one of traditional Chinese stuff we called pottery, and it is the symbol of my hometown. And as you see, there are three red flowers graved in its outside body, and from the top to the bottom, its bottleneck gradually becomes larger and larger. Next, I would briefly explain how I get this stuff, and there is a very short story between us. I will show you, and besides that, I want to keep it in the future and pass it down. So, as I mentioned before, the pottery is one of the speciality in my hometown. So, uh, as if you go to my hometown, with so many places you can find in most of our local family, they just keep it and make it as their home decoration. So before I go abroad for further study, I went to our local market, uh, and I was deeply attracted by its simple outlook and its tradition. So I bought it with me here and keep it with me. So during this 1 year semester, I keep it company with me all the time. Yeah, just in case I miss my hometown. But sometimes I really miss my hometown, especially in traditional Chinese festival such as Mid Autumn Festival, Spring Festival. I I would take it in my hand, just make me feel like staying with my family together, and it helped me eliminate my aloneness effectively. So right now I consider it just like my real friend, and it means a lot to me, even though it is just an unanimated object. It helped me a lot. It makes me feel stronger and uh, positive, more positive to face with life, no matter how hard it is, how comfortable it is indeed. And finally, if I had a kid in the future, I will try my best to pass it down to my generation, to tell more stories between us to them and share the inspiration with them. And I think it will help them to motivate them move forward bravely and yeah, never give up. So it means a lot to me. And thanks for your attention watching my presentation. I hope my story will help you feel attached